Hi guys, this is Suzanne with Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today we're going to clean, purge, and organize. Yes, we're going to tackle the refrigerator and some cabinets. So on this journey, I'm being honest with you guys. I'm opening doors and showing you behind closed doors. And today, taking a look inside the refrigerator is a little bit scary. Sharing it with you guys is really scary. But to be honest, the refrigerator is not in too bad of a shape, but it is amazing how quickly it does get disorganized and dirty, because it hasn't been that long that I gave the fridge a complete wipe down, and I was thinking that it would not be very dirty and probably would not even require a wipe down. But when I started removing sauces and condiments and jars and bottles, oh my word, I realized that the shelves and everything, they were already dirty again. So I removed the shelving and the organizational pieces inside the refrigerator, gave them a thorough cleaning before replacing them and wiping down everything that was returned inside the refrigerator. There were leftovers and a couple of expired products and things that just needed to be thrown away and other things that just needed to be organized. It is amazing how liberating it feels when you clean your refrigerator. And after I finished this project, it felt so much better. You feel like you can take on another project and tackle it once you have a clean refrigerator. So take a few moments and watch me complete this project. Here's where we're going to clean out next. Floor to ceiling storage cabinet in the kitchen. Oh dear, let me just go ahead and open it. We're going to start in the middle and the bottom. Yeah, yuck. So I'm gonna start with taking everything out, putting it here on the table and seeing what I have, being reminded of what I have, and see if I can't get a little bit of organization going. And of course, the top is full too. But I think I'll start right here in the middle, just because it's easier to reach, and I gotta start somewhere, right? little sets of dishes. This says USA. This one says Buffalo China. And I don't think I can part with them. So I've got several of these. And I think they're scattered everywhere in here. So let's just see if we can start organizing and getting like items together. In this cabinet, I have a lot of milk glass and white dishes, along with everything else. But let's just see what we've got. Here is just a quick look at what we've got going on. A big mess. And I've pretty much got this top shelf cleaned out, except for a couple of glass pieces that are going to stay up there. So I'm going to start by moving a couple of, I think I'm going to start by putting all my things from the middle shelf up to this top shelf. Here's my really pretty Alabama plate. Collection of little tea pictures. Some of them are monogrammed, and I just really love those for when we have a gathering. Each little table or setting can have their own little tea picture. These are some beautiful plates that I absolutely love. I love using these at Thanksgiving. These are Royal China Jeanette Hampshire. And I also have the little dessert dishes to go with it. I have a collection of staked plates. And I have some beautiful cut glass pieces. Some beautiful trays. Of course, I've got blue and white. Lots of pretty dishes, and it's my weakness, so I don't know. I don't think I'm getting rid of anything, but maybe I can just get it reorganized. A couple of these adorable little pictures. That one has monograms on them. Here's an antique little water bottle for next to your bed that's got the cup. I collect anything with monograms, so I love these beautiful monogram bee glasses.